Another allegation leveled against Islam by certain critics is that it is a backward and archaic religion, or one that does not promote intellectual advancement. This is a lazy stereotype that is based on fiction rather than fact. It is a baseless allegation. The Holy Quran itself has signified the importance of education by teaching the prayer, "O my Lord, increase me in knowledge." Where this prayer is a source of great help to Muslims, it also inspires them towards learning and advancing the cause of human knowledge. The truth is that the Holy Quran and the teachings of the Holy Prophet of Islam, peace and blessing of Allah be upon him, inspired the works of generations of Muslims, intellectuals, philosophers, and inventors in the Middle Ages. Indeed, if we look back more than a millennium, we see how Muslims, scientists, and inventors played a fundamental role in advancing knowledge and developing technologies which transformed the world and remain in use today. For example, the first ever camera was developed by Ibn Haytham, and his revolutionary work was recognized by UNESCO when he was declared as pioneer of modern optics. It is also interesting to note that the word camera is derived from the Arabic word kamara. In the 12th century, a Muslim cartographer produced most extensive and accurate world map of the medieval times, which was used for centuries by travelers. Furthermore, in the field of medicine, many Muslim physicians and scientists made great discoveries and pioneered many inventions that remain in use today. Many of the surgical instruments were pioneered by Muslim physicians. Muslim physician Al-Zahrawi in the 10th century. In the 17th century, an English physician, William Harvey, famously carried out what was considered as groundbreaking research regarding blood circulation and the functioning of the heart. However, it was later discovered that more than 400 years before Harvey's research, Ibn Nafis, an Arab physician, had already detailed the basic of pulmonary circulation in an Arabic textbook. In the 9th century, Jabir ibn Hayyan brought about revolution in the field of chemistry. He invented many of the basic processes and apparatus still in use today. The principle of algebra was first developed by a Muslim, as was much of the theory of trigonometry. In the modern world, algorithms are the basis of modern computing technology, and they too were first developed by Muslims.